Through this video, I'll explain to you how to find the Porsche dealers in Pembroke Pines. Today's video I want to teach you how simple it can be buying a new or used Porsche car from a Porsche dealers in Pembroke Pines. There are several Porsche dealers in Pembroke Pines, that makes it hard for first-timers. But don't worry, since this tutorial will break down features of each dealership and what kind of experience they have designed for the buyers. So let's get started. 1. Try to find Porsche dealers in your area, then search for dealerships which have plenty of parking and easy access. 2. Read reviews of the Porsche dealers in Pembroke Pines from individuals who have purchased a car there before. 3. Take a look at reviews of the Porsche dealers in Pembroke Pines on Yelp or Google. 4. Check out Porsche dealerships' inventory, to see what they have available and how many cars are currently on their lot. 5. Call up the dealer and ask them about their policies, auto financing options, warranty protection. The Porsche dealer should be someone who knows what he is speaking about and can give you satisfactory answers to your questions without making you feel nervous. 6. What is your budget? The more money you would spend on a car like, the better quality of car you'll be able to get. However, if cost is an issue for you, go ahead and ask around. Take a look through the link given in the description to talk to a Porsche dealers in Pembroke Pines. Thanks a lot for watching this video.